Hello everyone, MOSTPLUS is here with you. The MOSTPLUS Quad Fold hard cover features a black finish, aluminum frames, and hinges for extra wear resistance and protection. The panels are incredibly strong while remaining light and easy to fold. When the cover is closed and the tailgate locked, your cargo is secure. Its perimeter and fin seals keep the elements out. To open the cover, simply drop the tailgate, release the rear clamps, and fold the cover forward. When properly secured, the quad fold cover can be driven in the fully open position, allowing you to carry large loads. To close the cover, just unbuckle the straps. Fold the cover back. Then secure the cover using clamps. Should the need arise, the whole cover can be removed in seconds. Just release the handles on the front clamps, then lift off the tonneau cover. MOSTPLUS has torture tested the truck bed cover to make sure that it stands up to the test of time. It meets and passes the strictest OEM tests. Today, we're going to install a quad fold hard tonneau cover on the Toyota Tundra. Let's look at what is inside the box. An instruction, a seal strip, some extra hardware. These are extras just in case over time something breaks. The most important is the quad fold hard tonneau cover. This will be a pretty easy install. It's narrower than the tri-fold. When you fold this all up, you're going to have more bed space. The first thing you're going to want to do is install this seal strip. It's got a sticky side on one side here that's going to create a good seal right here between your tonneau cover and your truck bed. This tonneau cover isn't too heavy. It's probably around maybe about 50 pounds. You need to take your tonneau cover and just line it up. You just kind of lined up side to side with that, and then I'm just flush pretty much here with the back of the bed. Unlock the bag buckles. Next, let's get it all unfolded here. Check it pretty much lined up for the back of the bed down. Really nice fit. Once you get everything squared up and lined up, you can fold this back up now. Then what we're going to go ahead and do is bolt it down. Alright, guys, here's a closer look at the front bolt. You want to hook it underneath the metal part of your bed rail, not the plastic part. Just a little bit of a hand tightener on both sides, and that's going to lock it into place. After the first two brackets tightened down, we unfolded it. Your first panel that folds out will have brackets. We are going to go ahead and pop these out right now. You put it underneath the metal part of your bed rail there and make sure it's lined up. To add a little bit more tension, you're just going to go ahead and screw it up. When putting downward pressure on this lever, it will move that clamp up into the bed and then lock it into place. The third panel here is going to haven't any brackets. And you need to have one more set of brackets here that goes on the end. Then you do the same thing, hold the brackets in place there. Pretty easy as far as the installation on this. This install should only take you maybe about 10 to 15 minutes. Shouldn't take you long at all. Alright, guys, just a quick demonstration of these lights. Get one turned on. This light comes in handy when we need to find something in the back of your truck when it's dark. That's all. We have this tonneau cover for all types of different makes and model vehicles. Good build quality, easy to use, easy to install. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.